Hi, my name is Vi, and I wanted to share my testimony regarding the Free Mama Movement program. This program is amazing. It is worth every penny and more. I feel that if Lauren was to just hand you the course and have you figure it out, it would still be worth the amount of money you're paying for, because she breaks it down that much for you, where she's basically giving you day-to-day tasks to complete. And I feel if you implement these tasks, you will see results. This is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are not going to get rich tomorrow. But it's similar to exercising. If you go to the gym, you're not going to drop weight tomorrow, but if you stay consistent, you will get results. I feel that Lauren is just an amazing person, and I'm sure every woman in this program will testify the same. Lauren is she's just awesome. She created this program, but she also created this Facebook group that has many women who are working through the program and who have graduated from the program, and they are just offering support non-stop. Like, you come in there with your problem and everybody will just chime in with solutions to the problem, and I think that is just so amazing. This program has changed my life. 6 months ago, just 6 months ago, I wasn't even considering or contemplating ever being a business owner. It never crossed my mind. But because of Lauren's program, I have that freedom to be able to work from home and be more available for my children. So I'm able to pick them up from school. I'm able to take them to school. I can take them to practice and rehearsal and just be more involved in their life. I remember when I was going to my 9 to 5, coming home exhausted and just unwinding for the next day, not even having enough time to sit and have dinner because I was just so exhausted. I felt like I gave the best of me to my job, and then coming home and just giving my family like whatever energy I had left, which wasn't much. But because of this program, I am able to have more conversations with my kids and, see how their day is going and just be more involved. It's definitely improved my relationship with my children and my husband. We're not all tired, well, I'm not, anyways, but it's been such a game changer in my life, and I can't recommend it enough. I love this program. It's been such a blessing, and I'm so grateful and happy and fortunate that I found it. Thank you so much, Lauren. I hope one day I get to join you all at the Free Mama meetup and just hug you and thank you so much for creating this program and meeting all these wonderful women that I've met online through this program, and just, like having a cup of coffee and just sharing our stories and just continue to motivate each other and encourage each other to keep going.